It's a beautiful day. Wow. Yeah, just packing up. Almost done. I'm getting faster and faster at this. I don't know why. I was just reminded of all the gamer friends and online friends and shit I've had throughout my life. And for a moment there, I was just like grieving their lives and thinking of them as lost brothers who lost in battle, you know, who died in battle. In battle in the sense that they kind of lost at life, you know. A lot of these people, I don't think they're ever going to be able to do anything like I'm doing right now. A lot of people, they can barely even go out and be free for a week in a row, you know, a weekend at most, and then they got to go back to the cage. I don't like thinking of myself as better than, but I genuinely believe that most people I ever met, especially online, that they're just lost, you know, that they're just done for. They've resigned themselves to a life that they don't really want. And of course, this isn't perfect for me, right? I don't have all the equipment yet that I need. I don't have an income. But hey, I think I already got past the worst, most difficult part of this, right? Just landing in a country with 100 euros in your pocket and nothing. Look where I am. I'm moving along.
Hvorfor kigger du på Freddy?
Der er jeg jo på vej.
Du er jo godt på vej, Freddy, kan vi jo forstå.
Er du selv religiøst anlagt?
Nej, men det er min søster.
Ah.
Det er fordi,
De er bange for, at jeg kommer i helvede.
det er fordi Freddy.
I just hung out with the guy who was there yesterday and 2 other guys who came by. Had a nice conversation. They asked about my YouTube channel. I gave it to him. Said, hey, if you guys know anyone who needs any work done here in Denmark, let me know. Just leave a comment on the channel. I'll come take care of it. But yeah, time for my ritual. I gotta put on some city pop. And yeah, let me tell you which number I always listen to when I leave. It's Anri with Last Summer Whisper, and that's ANRI. Check it out. It's my favorite city pop number. Actually, the mascot of the channel was called, well, she still is called Baby Love. And yeah, this song, I named her Baby Love because of this song, but check it out. I love it. I always listen to it in the morning. That's the Burger King right there. That's my last stop on my can picking journey. Okay, I'll show you. Burger King is the last. And then just past Burger King over here, we got another place, the OK gas station. And it's only OK, you know? I don't get a lot of bottles from there. So yeah, just OK. And then after the OK, and we got the McDonald's over there. And just behind the McDonald's, there's the Circle K gas station. That's where I get most of the money. I didn't get a lot at the gas station, just a few extra bottles, like $1 or so. They always change the garbage bins just before I get there. I could see that they had just been emptied a couple hours ago. Oh well. Now I'm on the station, probably not gonna find much. Just making my rounds. Vivo 105 usually comes next around the time I'm at the train station. Then I listen to that basically until I deliver the bottles. Check it out, we got some boats here and a bunch of flags. I don't know, some kind of event must be going on. Look at all them sweet solar panels over there. Good job, guys. Guys, check out what I found in one garbage bin. What is this? Like, it's like $1, $2, $3.50-ish dollars. Let's go, dude. One garbage bin. I think this is my high score so far. Check it out, guys. Each of the big ones, I just found them in one garbage bin. Each of the big ones, $3.50, $1, just in one garbage bin. I don't know if I can return them with that garbage in it, but let's see. Check it out, guys. All these bottles. It's got to be a substantial amount, like 100 or more. There we go. Damn near 100. Let's go, man. Almost 100. In the Loud Friends apartment, just getting all the dirty laundry. We're gonna wash our stuff and my sleeping bag as well. It's about time. It's a little stinky, a little sweaty. Oh yeah, the Loud Friend, he's moved out of here, by the way. Now it's another friend that doesn't want to be on camera who has the apartment, so I can film in here now. It's okay. It's just the Loud Friend didn't like it, but I guess it's not his home anymore.
He has left everything.
Yeah, it's a mess.
Yeah.
We gotta clean this up after him.
We
I'm
got-
gonna be
we
the
got
one who
tomorrow.
ends up doing all these dishes once more. I've done this entire kitchen like at least 10 times.
At least.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
look, I'm eating some rolled oats and Kiki is just being Kiki. Look at her. She's never gonna let go of that thing.
She's sweet.
Yeah. We just came back from shopping for dinner. Yeah, we got some soda as well. We're gonna eat hakedreng, which is just minced meat pressed together into a patty. And then some rice and béarnaise. Pretty
Yeah.
good.
Pretty much that.
I'm just folding up some clothes right now. Alright, all my stuff is folded up, ready to get packed down. Let's do it. Look guys, a new red cat. It's not Red Allen, but I just spotted him. Maybe the train station already has found its replacement for Red Allen. Interesting. Oh yeah, check out what I made. Actually, today the train station was good to me. Some people gave me like 8 bottles or some shit. That helped out a bit. But yeah. Train station complete. I'm just hanging out with Jonas and Stony in voice chat. And I guess anytime now, the others are gonna let me know that they're cooking. If not, I guess I'm just gonna leave. Like, I'm not gonna be waiting for this all day. Guys, I just made it in time. I made it like in 3 minutes over here from the train station. And I got 42 krona, just extra money I wouldn't have made if I'd just been sitting in the apartment, right? And the Circle K station is probably gonna be filled up by the time I get back there in a few hours. So let's go back, get something to eat, and save this one for tomorrow. They had already closed the registers, so I couldn't hand it in. I'm just drinking an energy drink, smoking my cigarette. Okay, I came back, no one wanted to cook, no one wanted to eat, so I'm just making dinner for one. Béarnaise, rice, and meat patty. Check it, guys. Dinner is served. Check it out, guys. I'm gonna be standing and eating. There's not really much space left over there. It's kind of dirty, so I'm standing and eating. Alright guys, I'm going to pick up some cigarettes for the others. I'm just being nice. Really, I was about to go set up my tent, but they don't have an electric bicycle, and I do. So I'm going to the gas station for them before I leave. If I sound weird, it's because I got a cigarette in my mouth. I'll see you in a bit. Of course, I'm picking up everything I find on the way here. Me and Mike are on the school where we went playing with Jason, just checking out if the young kids went drinking today. Standing a little bit. I think we got like $2 worth. Oh yeah. Let's take one of these. check it out, Mike. Oh no, I lost them. I don't have any more. I had plastic gloves from the gas station. Check it out, got one trash can. I had them all stacked in one neat tower. Like so. I was just stacking them when I took them out so it was easier. I didn't have to bend down, you know. But it all came toppling down. Hey, I had it all the way up to here, man. Oh yeah, people are looking at me like I'm crazy, like building towers out of cans, man. I'm just having a good time. I'm starting to think I need to come by the gas station more often. Look, this is what I found in the trash cans so far. I don't know what that is, like $6, something like that. And then a couple just came by as I was finishing up the last trash can. They were like, "You got space for more?" I'm like, "Hell yeah." And they gave me all this. Nice. What? Just a couple of garbage bins left here. I don't think anything's gonna be in them. Usually there isn't, but I'm gonna check them still. I just checked out the OK tank, and McDonald's actually had like $2 for me, so I almost got the third bottle filled up. I'm just doing circles here as I'm telling you. Oh yeah, let's go to the Burger King. That's the next stop over here. Burger King was good to me yesterday. Let's see about today. I don't know. I can definitely tell it's the weekend with how much pant I've found today. Like I found some in the morning. I handed that in. I got like $11. And then later on I got, what was that, like $7, $8. And then now I got like at least $20 worth. It's good money, man. I mean, for someone with as few expenses as me, this is great shit, man. And you want to know the best part about this? Every time I'm doing my late night run, I'm always talking to Stony at the very least. Sometimes Dion or Jonas are gonna be there too. But like, I always have someone to hang out with. It's so nice. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's hairs here. I'll try and see if I can bring you in closer. Hurry away, buns. Hurry with your tiny booties. Okay, guys, I want to show you this. Basically, I just recognized and realized that I've never shown you me driving down this path at night. And I don't know why, but I really like driving down this path at night. I keep thinking like, wow, this is really something I'm gonna remember. This is really memorable. But in case I do forget, I just wanted to record what it looks like. Look at all those fumes they're burning over there. They're processing some kind of chemicals. Like, it just smells weird up in here. Like, I don't know, man. Like a little sweet, like candy-ish chemicals, but also some kind of like, I don't know, like smells like brand new leather sofa and like all kinds of weird scents. Tonight is actually not that bad. Typically the wind is gonna blow from right to left, at least according to the screen you're looking at. But yeah, tonight is pretty chill. Typically I ride through this incredibly fast, and I try and hold my breath a bit because I don't want to, I don't know about these fumes, man. They smell pretty fucking toxic to me. But yeah, this is the path I ride at night. I really like it. Actually, down here at the end of the road, just like 20... Oh, there's a hare out on the road. Check it out. You're gonna be able to see him move in a second. There he goes. Yeah, back into the forest, buddy. Yeah, there you go. Actually, right over there by that light post that's closest, I saw a deer yesterday. Basically Bambi. I saw a Bambi right there. It was crazy. I just love this place, man. I keep kind of being ashamed. Yeah, I just had to shift the gears down. I keep being kind of ashamed But I come back here because, well, I don't consider myself a content creator. So it's like, I don't need to go somewhere new every day, but I do want to show you guys new things, you know? And not just have it be the same old every single time. Alright? But I just like this place back here. Behind the shelters, it's really nice. I don't know, I just always... I wake up less frustrated when I sleep out here. And I don't feel like I'm far away from everything. I don't know, it's just a really good spot. But I'll try and do my best to not over-rely on it. I know, guys, I've been in Nyborg a lot. And I've been in this spot down here a lot. I was at the other shelter a lot in the beginning of the channel. But I just feel like now that I've been here quite a lot, soon we're gonna get away from Nyborg. I mean, we're always gonna keep coming back here. I'm pretty sure, as long as Mike's with me, right? He really likes the Loud Friend's apartment, especially now that the Loud Friend won't live there anymore. Yeah, this is my journey. I don't think I'm gonna go to the shelters tonight. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I should just check and see. No, because I got all these bottles and I would have to hide them in the shelters to make sure they don't get stolen. I think I'm just better off going to my spot. And honestly, I like tents. I like tents better than shelters. But I will say that this shelter over here has kind of made me realize that I don't actually mind the shelters. I just don't like the big open shelters. I want the little closed shelter where you can close the latches and feel like you got some privacy. People can't just open up while you're sleeping, right? That's nice. Oh my god, I just had a major stress moment. I arrived and then I saw my backpack was unzipped, the bottom compartment with all my cooking stuff, and so I backtracked. I just made it out here to the entrance of the road, you know, where I saw the deer under this headlight. We saw the bunny. Oh, the hare, he's still over there. Check him out. But yeah, I had dropped, well, what is this? Oh, that's my gloves. Dude, I can't be dropping plastic out here. What the hell? But yeah, here you go. That's the soaps. And the spices. See, this is why having plastic bags, everything is good. It means that the stuff from the inside isn't gonna spill and the stuff from the outside isn't gonna get in there. I got my oils. And most importantly, my fucking titanium cutlery set. I could not be without this. Ah, let's go. Yeah, I'm getting an aero coat because I lost my fucking magnet. So the bicycle is completely fucking slow right now. Sucks. I'll try and find a magnet tomorrow. But for now, it's back to the tent, chilling out with Stony, and Jonas just joined. Check it out, guys. I found some red lights. You can probably guess how, but it's pretty nice. It's pretty chill in here. I got porno lights up in my tent. Let me see, red. Yeah, I think red is like one of the better colors to have at night. Blue is the worst. It's gonna keep you awake. But I think having red is pretty good. I might switch this one out with this one, or maybe I'll combine it with this one. Let's see. I want a little bit of like white light in here, just a tiny bit. But it's almost canceling out the red. I don't know. It's fine if I turn it upwards like that. And then point this one downwards. I like this. This is nice. Oh yeah, and I'm just hanging out with Stony right now and baby Jonas. Check it out, guys. I got party lights. Woo!